I have 3 pieces of scrap wood. They came from the Dollar Tree, pre-cut to the size. 2 of them measure 12 inches and 1 measures almost 18 inches. And I painted them all in Wise Owl chocolate. I then have these 3 birdhouses. 2 have a heart shape in the center and 1 has a star. And I'm also going to paint those in the Wise Owl chocolate as well. I'm just picking a dark base color and I'm painting all of my pieces in that one color to start. And the last thing is this box. It also came from the Dollar Tree and I painted that in the chocolate as well. And then I'm going to allow everything to fully dry. Once dry, I picked 3 colors and I'm going to dry brush 1 color on each of the birdhouses. I'm starting with the Wise Owl Goldenrod, and dry brush just means a very little bit of paint on your brush. I still want some of that chocolate to pop through. I do not want full coverage. My second color is the Dried Thyme, and my third color is the Snow Owl. Now you can certainly pick any colors of your choice. I would love to hear what everyone would paint theirs in, as we can only paint one, so I just go with what matches my home decor. I then went around on the box in the 3 slats of wood and I dry brushed some white on all of those. Once everything is dry, I'm going to paint the tops about 2 inches from the top of the 3 slats in Wise Owl Black. And once that is dry, I'm going to start gluing my pieces down. I took the 2 heart birdhouses and I glued them on the shorter pieces of wood. And then I took the last birdhouse and I glued it on the longer piece. I went over to my box. I glued the longest piece of wood in the center of the box, using the back as a support for a place to glue the wood down. And then I placed one of the shorter ones on the left and then another short one on the right. And I almost put them at an angle, so they're coming up out of the box. I have this fill. It is paper, so you don't want to place this outside, but you can certainly replace it with something. And I filled each birdhouse with the paper fill. I have these garden stakes. They have a little bird at the top. I painted 3 of them in Wise Owl Higgins Lake, and these came from the Dollar Tree. You can give these as much detail as you'd like. I just put a little black on the beak. And then I'm going to trim these. I trimmed 2 so they could fit inside the birdhouse. And then I trimmed 1 so I can glue it right onto the back side of the birdhouse. I have a wooden block I painted in Wise Owl chocolate. And then I glued it down into the center of my box. I took more fill and I filled around the wooden block. I have this really cute lantern. It came from the Dollar Tree. I don't like that it's black though. It doesn't really match. So I was able to take it apart, removing the glass sides of the lantern, and I painted the lantern in Wise Owl Higgins Lake. If you want the paint to stick better, you're going to want to prime first. And then I put my lantern back together, and there you go. I think this came out adorable. Let me know what you think. Paint products, tissue paper, transfers, mesh stencils, and wood cutouts can all be found at chocolatefancy.com. Have a great day.